Hi everyone. Today we are going to see the feature that provides the Keratron Nova regarding analysis. Select the patient, we go and see the patient data acquired before. Here we are taking 3 images. First thing that we can do now is go on the repeatability check and check it. As you can see, this is very good with the standard deviation of 0.05 diopter between the 3 images. Now let's come back. We select an image and let's see what the Nova provide to us. These are the rank examination, and now we can see if they are good or not. Now we can go with this button to a curvature map, and it's provided with the absolute scale, or if I click here, I can move to a normalized scale, linked to this acquisition. Or I can come back after we got an axial map with the same scale features. After the axial map, we can have a spherical offset or an elevation map. This is calculated based on the BFS calculated for this eye that you can see up there. That is 42.64. Please keep in mind that any eye has got its own BFS, okay, according to different calculation. In this case, is according to Maloney. Now let's see all the data provided. We come back to a curvature map, and here you can see the pointer data. If I move the pointer, this data will change, and there are linked to the point that I'm looking at. I got power in diopter, in radius, the distance from the center of the vertex, and the meridian of the cross. Here I also got the height value, but is only present in elevation map. After that, I got the SIMK 1 and SIMK 2, and the difference between them. Also pupil data, and a value at 8 mm. This value can be changed. If you can see now, I have to come back to axis, sorry. If you can see now, you can move from 8 to 6, or I can have the best fit sphere, according to Maloney, and this is the same value that we seen before in our elevation. Last data that I can have here, can select is keratoconus analysis. To do that, I have to go to the axial or curvature map. As you can see here now, there got the keratoconus with this nomogram. Axial, and before we see the instantaneous one. Another thing that we can do, we can extrapolate the corneal diameter or the white to white. To do that, we have to follow this rule and start clicking the first point on the corner. We set the first, the second, and in the end, the third one. In third point, only one circumference can go. So now the extrapolation is done. We check if it's okay, and this is good enough. And we set okay. And now we got also, as you can see down there, the corneal data. After now, we can see the sagitta data, and also we can select the diameter for the calculation. And one last thing, we can have the contact lens simulator. We go here, we select the lens that we want to check. This lens can be updated by the database manager. And now we got the flourishing pattern simulation. We can also move and try to simulate even the decentration.